2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, rear window wiper. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.